When you think of a flagship phone, you picture a sleek, fragile device. Well, the Ulefone Armor 29 Ultra redefines what a flagship can be. It's a rugged phone that doesn't sacrifice top-tier performance, making it a powerful contender against modern flagships from popular brands like Samsung and Apple. It's built for those who need a phone that can survive anything without compromising on features. And speaking of features, well, these are the top features of the Ulefone Armor 29 Ultra and why it's one of the best flagship rugged phones of all time. The device boasts significant processing power with the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus processor clocked at 3.4 GHz, complemented by the Immortalis G720 GPU with a clock speed of 1.3 GHz, ensuring smooth performance for even the most intensive tasks and games. Memory and storage are ample, featuring a massive 16 GB of RAM with an additional 16 GB of VRAM and a spacious 1 TB of internal storage, expandable up to an impressive 2 TB via microSD card. Durability is a core highlight, with IP69K indicating protection against high pressure, high temperature water jets, and IP68 for immersion, dust protection, and general drops. It's also built to operate in extreme temperatures ranging from -20 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius. The phone's substantial 33.8mm thickness and 688 grams weight are indicative of its rugged construction. An immense 21,200 mAh battery, which offers an exceptional 1,140 hours of standby time and 114 hours of talk time. Charging is incredibly fast with 120 watts support and also supports 10 watts reverse charging. The display is a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus screen with a 1080 by 2460 pixel resolution, providing clear visuals. Photography is a strong suit with a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 50MP main sensor paired with a 50MP ultra wide angle lens and a dedicated 64MP night vision camera for low light conditions. Video recording can reach up to an impressive 8K resolution at 30 FPS. I'm talking about the rear main camera here. The front facing camera is 50MP, which is capable of recording up to Full HD videos at 30 FPS. Now, connectivity options are comprehensive, including dual SIM support, USB Type-C with USB 3.2 Gen 2, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and a full suite of navigation systems, including GPS, GLONASS, and the others. It retains a headphone jack and features a single 2-watt speaker. Additional essential features includes NFC, OTG, a side-mounted fingerprint sensor integrated with the power button, face unlock, an IR blaster, which means you can use this device to control most of your home appliances, and the device also features an underwater camera mode. It also incorporates all major sensors like proximity, accelerometer, and gyro, ensuring a comprehensive and highly functional user experience for those requiring a phone that can handle harsh conditions. So there you have it, guys. The Ulefone Armor 29 Ultra, as you can see, competes with modern flagships by excelling where they fall short. With its massive battery, advanced night vision camera, super bright camping lights and warning lights, and extreme durability, it offers a unique value proposition. It's a flagship for the real world, a phone for users who demand both high performance and unmatched resilience. And this device is finally available. If you're interested in the Armor 29 Ultra, there will be a link in the video description and comment section. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.